Hello mighty pirates! So what are we going to do today? You can see this wonderful motherboard here, a Commodore 64 motherboard, and it's a revision 251137, and this motherboard came to us without all chips. Well, not all of them, because these ones are directly soldered on the surface. So we just put these ones, the PLA, the C, the CPU, and of course this wonderful VIC. Okay, so also the fuse was missing, so we replaced this with some aluminum here. I know it's not safe, but just to test it out, it's not bad. All right, so we're going to switch this on and see if the dead cartridge is working. It's going to tell us. I am expecting for this motherboard to work perfectly, because everything seems to be fine. I mean, I don't see any issues here. I've been testing the voltage here before running this test. So out of this EC there were 12 volts, and out of this EC there were 5 volts. So seems to be everything fine. So let's do it. Excited. Come on. All right. Yes, perfect. All right. So as you can see, everything in the tester is running smoothly. The time here, the timings are perfectly fine. The LED is perfectly okay. Wow. Let's hear the test. So this motherboard, as I was expecting, is fully functional. Hooray! Super hooray! So I think I'm going to enjoy this motherboard, because this is a good piece of hardware. Anyway, the test was just nice. I'm going to take great care of this hardware, which is approximately 40 years old. Wow, super nice. Okay, until the next time, bye guys.